Are you wasting money on Google Ads without knowing it? Here's a quick tip to get ahead. Did you know that getting cheaper clicks doesn't mean long-term success? If you chase cheap clicks, you'll lose big on lifetime value. Let's fix that fast. Customer lifetime value, CLV, tells you how much a customer is worth over years, not just a single sale. Track CLV and suddenly your ad bids and budgets shift toward getting higher value customers. You use messaging that resonates with better paying clients and watch things change for your business. Stop chasing volume, start chasing value. Making these moves on your own can boost Google Ads ROI by 20–30%. Here's some quick, practical moves. Tag high-value segments and raise their bids. Then refine the messaging to resonate with high-value customers. This, in turn, improves your bottom line and reduces the stress of finding better-paying customers. Don't get fooled by surface metrics. Immediate sales look pretty, but can hide losses. Want templates to get started? Audit tips to boost performance with step-by-step playbooks included? Get started today and visit movingforwarddigitalmarketing.com for expert tips, free templates, and personalized support.